Today, we're looking at how to use customer pain points to drive awareness of your product through social media. So one of the biggest things that people struggle with is how to create content that actually works. And I always tell people to think about what their customers' pain points are, aka what keeps them up at night, what worries about, and it usually is anything to do with money, safety, or indeed, something to do with their own customer pain points, for example. Now here, what the ASAFE group have done is they have done a little video here, and they are talking about basically steel barriers and how they are costly and difficult to maintain and often not fit for all industrial environments. So they're just saying basically these are different ones, and they're talking about then if you have tried to use the other ones, they don't work, here's a good alternative, and then the reasons why. So let's have a look. So you can see there, what they've done is they've shown basically, that how that would get damaged, and then they've shown that these ones are actually designed for the toughest industrial workplaces. So they're saying what an ASAFE polymer barrier means, and they've gone into the floor damage, no rusting, less replacements. So they're basically talking about reduction in damage to vehicles, again saving money, less replacements, saving time and costs. It's all about saving, and that's what everyone's worried about when it comes to their business. That's what everyone's worried about when it comes to their place and indeed their people. So if you can hone in on customers' pain points, then it's one of the best ways of being able to show how your product then solves that pain point. The video, I guess, really sums up the power of their product, and the caption sums up exactly what it is and why we need it. Also, it's a really good use of relevant hashtags, which will make them seen by the right people.